Student, today we are going to learn an important topics under estimating and costing. What are the step-by-step estimating procedure? What are the step-by-step estimating procedure? The simplest step-by-step procedure of estimating an object or estimating an component are: number 1, study the drawing of the component very carefully, particularly check for missing dimension and details. Number 2, divide the drawings into as many as possible simpler geometrical shapes. That means whole drawing we divided into some simple geometrical shapes such as cubes, pyramid, cylinder, prism, etc., whose volume can be determined by employing mathematical formula. Number 3, determine the volume of each component. Determine the volume of each elements. That means when we divide the whole drawing into some simple geometrical shape, then we determine the volume of each geometrical shape. In this case, avoid approximation as far as possible. Wherever approximation are necessary, provide little allowance. Okay. Number 4, add the volumes of all the elements to get the total volume of the product. Add all elements to get the total volume of product. Number 5, calculate the weight of the object by multiplying it with its weight per unit volume. We calculate the weight of the whole object, whole component, by multiplying the volume into weight per unit volume. Number 6, the cost of the object is then determined from the present market rate of the material. Okay. Number 7, the labor charge is determined considering the setting up time, operation time, wages. Number 8, the selling price is estimated by adding the overhead percentage and profit percentage with the prime cost. Prime cost is the direct labor and direct material. We add other expenses, that means indirect material, indirect labor, advertisement cost, rent of room, sales person's salary. Then we add the profit percentage. Finally, we get the selling price. Okay,